Habitica App Review 2025. Best productivity app or just a game? Turning your life into a game sounds fun, but does it actually make you more productive? Habitica promises motivation through gamification, but here's the honest truth in 2025. Habitica is a habit and task management app that uses role-playing game mechanics. You create an avatar, earn rewards for completing tasks, and lose health when you skip habits. The biggest strength is motivation. You won't believe how effective it feels to earn experience points for real-life tasks like exercising or studying. For many users, this creates accountability that normal to-do lists don't. Habitica also supports social features. You can join parties, complete quests, and hold each other accountable. Most people get this wrong by using Habitica alone. The social aspect is where it shines. However, the app isn't for everyone. The interface can feel busy, especially for users who prefer clean, minimalist tools. There is a learning curve if you're new to gamified systems. Another downside is consistency. Habitica works best if you check in daily. Miss too many days and the system loses impact. The surprising truth is that Habitica is less about productivity tools and more about behavior change. It's not replacing your calendar, but it can transform habits. Pricing is generous. The core app is free, with optional subscriptions for cosmetic items and bonuses. In 2025, Habitica is perfect for people who love games and need external motivation. If traditional apps bore you, this might be the productivity boost you've been missing. Subscribe for more honest app reviews that go beyond hype.